Welcome to TonyCollinsArt. We are Tony and Holly Collins, and since 1996, we've been married and working together making all kinds of cool stuff. Tony's a mastermind, and he combines his creative, engineering, and practical skills to make custom metalwork, art, and lighting. Metal art starts with an idea that comes to life with fabrication and hard work. We work with some great architects and designers who come up with some awesome ideas. We use all kinds of equipment and processes, some old world techniques combined with some state-of-the-art CNC equipment to help us get the job done. This will give you an idea about the kind of work we do. Over the years, we've made furniture, fixtures, and custom lighting for a lot of popular brands you may recognize, like Chili's, Uncle Julio's, Medea. We've also made some unique pieces for several exclusive commercial properties in downtown Dallas. We were even lucky enough to build the rotating structure for Dallas's iconic Pegasus at the Omni Dallas Hotel, down by the convention center. We showcase Tony's eclectic range of paintings, sculptures, screen prints, drawings, and digital art in our Dallas studio gallery by appointment. If you can't make it to our studio, you can find us online at TonyCollinsArt.com. You can also follow us at TonyCollinsArt on YouTube, X, and Instagram. Tony's work is also available at saatchi.com/TonyCollinsArt. So thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us and stay tuned and see what we're up to next. Bye for now.